Welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Summertime's coming and we're gonna make some beautiful mussels in Roquefort cream, which is mussels in a French blue cheese. Very tasty, one of my favorites. I'm Wes, let's get started. First we're gonna chop some shallots. Put some butter in your frying pan. Before your butter gets brown, add the shallots. And we're going to fry them until they become translucent. When they start to become a little bit brown, we're going to deglaze our shallots in white wine. We're still on maximum heat. And we're going to reduce the white wine a little bit. This is going to take 3 to 4 minutes. So when the juices become a little bit creamy, we're going to kill the heat and we're going to preserve. Cut the Roquefort into little bits. This is fair enough. Add the shallots in the pan. Add the Roquefort blue cheese, add the liquid cream, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Warm up slowly on a low fire. The important thing is that your cheese melts. So we're not going to bring it up to the boiling point. Give your mussels a good brush on the cold running water. Don't put them in the water because they're going to get rid of the seawater they get inside, which is very important for our flavor. Put some butter in your frying pan, maximum heat. Add your mussels. Just for a few minutes. We're going to put the lid on. Now once you see the seawater reduces and they're all open, then we're going to pour a good spoon of our cream in there with the cheese. Kill the heat and we're ready to serve. Absolutely my favorite. Raw mussels in Roquefort sauce. Hope you enjoyed the video. All that's left to say to me, bon appetit and see you back soon.